Now let's imagine we had set this character type to NPC, and we've got our player walking up to this character, and this character is going to say something to our player. So we could obviously create another variable, public of type string, and we could call it something like message, and we could default the message here. We could type that in, that's fine, or we could just type it in the inspector. Okay, we could leave that up to the developers to decide what message to give. Let's imagine that it's a pretty long message. I'm just going to type some complete gibberish. Okay, so it's just going to go on forever. After a while it becomes a little bit difficult to actually see what we're typing, okay, because we've got a lot going on there. Alright, so we can actually make this little message box a little bit bigger. So let me just get rid of all of that. If we go in here and we give it the attribute of a text field or text area, that will actually give us a larger text area to type in our message. Okay, and once again, we could just put this all on one line if you want, or you could have that space in order to break up your list of variables. It's entirely up to you. Okay, now we can see that we've got a much larger message area, so that now when I'm typing, okay, I'm definitely not running out of space. Okay, and notice how it just wraps around as well. Okay, if I'll just press O constantly. If you go down, you also get this little slider as well, which is really good. So there's no limit on how many characters you can put in there, and I can go all the way back up to the top. Alright, so that's pretty useful.